Joke size matters? Absolutely it does. And then here are some things that you can do to troubleshoot distributors. And then common problem. These are exact examples of stuff we've taken apart that have come back to us for warranty returns. You know, all kinds of junk that you show up. So we make contaminant controls. I'm going to talk about those tomorrow. End of the day again, so by all means don't show up so I can get the Outback early. And TV identification. We used to have to go through all these things before we had SKUs and computers. This is all the stuff you'd have to tell us if you're going to order an expansion valve from us. And then we've got all kinds of teaching material that's free for you to use. And if you need help from us, you can call tech support at 636-392-3906. You'll get a human. You'll get one of my compatriots that's worked for the company for a long time. Either has been a design engineer or a product manager or currently is. And even once in a while, you'll get me. Heaven help you if you do. And there's our email. You can stay connected with us by going to... We've got this whole presentation is on video on our YouTube page, everything I've done here, and more. You can watch it to your heart's content with a whole bunch of other stuff. And that's all I got.